It looks like our weather pattern in the Atlantic has changed a bit, where we have 18 and Patty. 18 will be, I can't remember its name. Anyways, Patty I think is a tropical storm. Yeah, it's a tropical storm. Let me put the camera down for a minute. I did not mean to copy that. Yeah, but all of this will be like some type of weather pattern for the Atlantic, Pacific. A lot of those areas have been. The Atlantic has had Hurricane Alberto, Hurricane Beryl, Hurricane Chris, Hurricane Debbie, Hurricane Ernesto, Hurricane Francine, Hurricane Gordon, Hurricane Helene, Hurricane Isaac, Hurricane Joyce, Hurricane Kirk, Hurricane Leslie, Hurricane Milton, Hurricane Nadine, Hurricane Oscar, Hurricane Patty, and the next one. So it has been a rough year for the Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean has been pretty busy so far with a lot of storms. But a lot of these tropical storms will remain pretty low on their strength. Patty is just like hanging out above the high pressure that is doing all the stuff down south. Like it will be like it's all gonna stay south. Like it's gonna stay south, like right here, like where 18 is right now, which will eventually come into the name that starts with R. They do not do Q, X, or Y because there's not that much names for that. I think that might be pretty weird. But look, we have Patty. We have 2% chance of tropical development over there, and 18. So we'll have to be watching all this area. It has been it developed quickly, and then like all spreaded out into like all of this, like all of this. Like you can see this, you can see this, you can see that. So a long day, and we might be going live tomorrow for like the outbreak of like several tornadoes, including like large hail, like up to tennis ball, and winds around 75 miles an hour. So that will be the most threats in the outbreak tomorrow. So I'll end the stream, and bye.